One defendant couldn't download Zoom. Another begged the judge for 3 more weeks. And then a man facing a bond violation insisted he was working 12 hours a day and just needed one chance to run out and drop clean. By this point, the judge had heard every excuse, except the truth.
Make that change. Grant. Basically granting that exception to the motion. All right, and we return to the 22nd.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And we'll continue. All right. Thank you,
sir.
This is for you, okay?
Oh, thank you, sir.
Thank you. All right, take care. Court does call the case people versus Taiwan. Hey,
I do. Not with Mr. Phelan.
that's because he's on Zoom.
I tried to reach him. Okay. I need to update contact.
Phelan, can you state your name?
Taiwan Phelan.
Your Honor, we are,
Okay, yes, go ahead.
we're going to be asking for an adjournment. I don't have contact information for Mr. Phelan, or I do, but it's disconnected.
All right.
Am I able to get his contact information on the record?
Does
that work?
Put it on the record.
Okay. Mr. Phelan, can you call the public defender's office so we can talk to you and have contact?
Actually, you know, yes, call the public defender's office. He's at 14-2.
Okay.
All right, I'll adjourn this probable cause conference, May 22nd, 2025, 9 a.m. or as your invite indicates, bond continue.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'll talk to you, Mr. Phelan.
Okay.
Court does call the case people versus Tremaine Pinder.
How about Mr. Pinder?
Tremaine Pinder. Thank you.
Your Honor, we're going to be asking for a very short adjournment. We believe there is more discovery and we have investigators working on it.
May 15th, 2025, 9 a.m. Or as your invite indicates, bond continue.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Court calls case people versus Joanna Reed.
Assistant Public Defender Jay Bellinger on behalf of Ms. Reed.
Your name?
Ms. Reed,
Johanna Reed.
thank you. And Your Honor, I don't know that I submitted a green sheet to the court, so I apologize. I just made first contact with Ms. Reed. She was on a mental health petition, so she was previously hospitalized. So I'm just asking for 3 weeks so that we can discuss her case.
Without objection, May 22nd, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continues.
So,
Thank you.
thank you.
Court calls case people versus Deborah, Spears.
First, we get from people. Assistant Public Defender Hannah Apple appearing on behalf of Ms. Spears, who should be appearing via Zoom, Judge.
Hello, this is Deborah.
Do you have your camera, Ms. Spears?
It's phone.
No, I can't download Zoom on my phone for some reason because I owe Apple Network. And I can't figure out how to pay it.
Okay. So, Ms. Spears,
Yes.
you're requesting an adjournment.
Yes, Judge.
I'll adjourn your matter out May 22nd, 2025, 9 a.m. All right?
Alrighty, thank you so much. And I will make sure to have Zoom downloaded by then as well.
All right.
Okay.
Very good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Court calls the case people versus Carl Tesson.
Brian Boyd, Mr. Tesson is approaching, Your Honor. State your name for the record, please. Carl Tesson. Judge, I'm asking for an adjournment. This is another matter where I need to obtain some video discovery to review with Mr. Tesson.
May 22nd, 2025, 9 a.m. as your invite indicates, bond continues.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Court calls the case, People versus Stephen Watson.
And is it on behalf of the people, Your Honor?
Mike Gaddy, Assistant Public Defender, on behalf of Mr. Watson, Your Honor. Mr. Watson, state your name for the record.
Stephen Watson.
Go ahead.
Your Honor, I have had a chance to go over this matter with Mr. Watson. We're asking the court to set a preliminary examination.
All right, I will set a preliminary examination, but he has a bond violation report.
Yes, we're aware of that, Judge.
All right.
Your Honor, I did receive the report and have gone over it.
Does he have a prescription for that?
Your Honor, he did send I believe he tested positive last week. He did pay to have that sample sent to the for confirmation or not. They're waiting on that. Today is his day to test. Mr. Watson has indicated that he will, that it will be negative.
For what?
Everything except for, I believe he has a medical marijuana card, Judge. I'd ask the court to allow him to run over there and test past this matter. And
Yeah, I haven't, since the end of March, I had cocaine, amphetamines, THC. Amphetamines, THC, and then we went, that was on the 10th, and then on the 14th, I got cocaine again. I have amphetamines then and THC into his system, but he's not reporting any medication that's gonna show as an amphetamine.
Your Honor,
Yes.
also concerns that he missed intake on 4/28 as well.
Yes, I've been working 12 hours, 7 days a week. The community corrections lady told me to come to court, see if you allow me to come and drop. That way they can reassess me and get me back in. But if I drop today, I drop completely clean, everything. And, I'm trying not to lose my job. I've been at the same job for a year and a half. I've been staying out the way. I can go drop, come back, and everything will come back clean, Your Honor.
Your Honor, he is working at Marsh Plating.
Is he saying that, does he want a hearing on this? I don't know what else.
Yes, because I'm trying to stay out of jail, trying to keep.
I know you're trying, well, everybody is, but
I just want to be able to go drop, come back, so I can be able to maintain my job and get reassessed. The lady at community corrections said I can get reassessed into a program, outpatient program, if need be.
why is the amphetamine showing up in your system?
That part, I'm not sure. It could have been from some over-the-counter meds or anything, but I haven't used. I've been working every day. Like, that's all I do is work from 3 in the afternoon to 3 in the morning. I'm on my hours. I just asked the court to allow me to go drop to prove that.
You have all of the discovery, mister.
Your Honor, we do have the discovery, yes.
I'm just
People had their witnesses available the 13th.
We'll do our best, Your Honor.
So is he not admitting to this violation, but
Your Honor, in terms of the amphetamines, he is not admitting to them. In terms of the cocaine, I believe the initial test was positive for cocaine. There was a subsequent one. He did not have the funds. He was not working to the extent that he is now. He didn't have the funds to test it. I don't know if he wants to. You want to hear him?
no, that's okay. Well, I'll just we'll set his preliminary examination in person, May 13th, 2025, 9 a.m. That's before me.
If I could elaborate on bond, Judge.
Sure.
Your Honor, he is not a flight risk. He lives, he's residing over on East Forest, which is, probably 2 miles from here, in Ipsy. I don't think there's been any, well, we're here on a violation, but there hasn't been any violation alleged contact wise or anything like that. He is gainfully employed. I'd ask the court to allow him an opportunity to test. He has indicated to me that they would, if the court would allow, they would welcome him in for another chance to interview for the community corrections outpatient program. But
If I did drop today, I would drop clean, no amphetamines, no nothing.
Now set a bond violation hearing at that same time, at the time of the preliminary examination, March 13, 2025, 9 a.m.
In today's courtroom, chaos walked in before the truth ever showed up. Miss Reed's lawyer had just met her, fresh off a mental health petition, and begged the judge for 3 more weeks. Granted. Then came Miss Spears on Zoom, or at least her voice. She couldn't download the app because she owed Apple money. Another adjournment. But the real tension started with Mr. Watson. Positive tests for cocaine, amphetamines, THC, again and again. Missed intake, missed testing, and suddenly he claimed he was working 12-hour shifts 7 days a week and begged to run out, drop clean, and rush back before anyone noticed. The judge listened, unimpressed. Because in this courtroom, excuses don't erase evidence, and one hearing can decide whether you walk out the door or get taken into custody.
All right. 14A District Court for County of Washington, State of Michigan is now back in session. Judge James has a session to decide.
You may be seated. Court does call the case of People versus Kyle Beckerman.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. May it please this honorable court. David Burgess on behalf of the not available Mr. Beckerman. Your Honor, the last information I had, he called my office and said he was in Havenwick. I asked him to provide documentation. To date, I have not received anything.
Bench warrant will issue for defendant's failure to appear. Bond 10,000. Cash surety. That warrant will issue immediately. The case People versus Larry Lee.
Good afternoon again, Your Honor. May it please this honorable court. David Burgess on behalf of Mr. Lee, who's appearing on Zoom. So,
okay, I was going to say, did you not have another client?
No.
Mr. Lee, can you unmute? Got him. Okay.
Your Honor, discovery is complete in this matter. We are requesting an exam.
People, other witnesses available on the 13th?
Yes, sir.
Preliminary examination in person will be May 13th, 2025, 9 a.m. before me.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Thank you. Bound continue. Court calls case People versus Jamie Foxx.
Absolutely. People vote matters.
Oh, Jamie Foxx, Your Honor, along with Mike Getty.
afternoon, Your Honor. Mike Gaddy, Assistant Public Defender on behalf of Fox on case 25 F2 223.
Your name?
Jamie Foxx.
All right, thank you. What are we doing?
One of these cases does involve quite extensive medical records. APA evidence is going through and redacting those so we disclose to the defense. That process is ongoing and not complete, so we do need an adjournment on that case, Mr. Gaddy's matter.
Yes, Your Honor. And I believe we submitted green sheets on both matters. I think it did prior for judicial autonomy to keep both together.
We agree.
All right. What's the timing
There's quite a bit, Your Honor, and there's some other issues, collateral issues going on that the people in the defense need to explore. Perhaps the end of this month.
you guys would agree with that?
I would.
That's fine.
Probable cause conference on May 29th, 2025, 9 a.m. or as your invite indicates, bond will continue.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, ma'am.
Just for the record, clean on the testing.
What?
Clean on the testing.
Clean on the test. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Court calls the case, People versus Candace Holmes.
For the people.
Good afternoon, I'm Rob Jacob on behalf of Ms. Holmes. Judge, can we set this matter for exam, please?
Discovery is complete.
Yes, Your Honor.
Have witnesses available on the 15th. Preliminary examination in person, May 13th, 2025.
Judge, may I address an issue?
9 a.m. before
Judge
Judge Valvo. Yes.
My client has been ordered to wear a tether. There have been no violations. I don't believe there would be if the court did allow her to take that off. She works in home health care. She cannot work there while the tether is on her. She's asking if the court would please consider removing the tether. She agrees to have no contact with any of the alleged victims, and she will appear for all future court hearings.
Any response from the people?
Your Honor, I know that the victim in this matter would like for my conditions to remain the same. I believe that she did seek and receive an ex parte PPO after this incident. I don't know whether or not it's been served. However, this is a somewhat delayed report. Apparently, the allegations are an argument leading to defendant allegedly swinging on the victim and then pointing a gun at herself and her son, as she was holding at the time. The problem here, the reason this is a delayed report is because she originally thought that this was a family member and did not want to pursue it, but then was receiving harassment and text threats several times a day, every day in the following months after this. I think the hot zone tether is in place for fear that there are several allegations in here of Ms. Holmes carrying firearms despite her prior convictions of CCW and firearms in possession of a felon. Even after that point, she's apparently known to have weapons. Given all of that, I believe that the people, I know that the victim objected because the bond remains.
Judge, just very briefly, my client denies the allegations of having a gun pointed at her, using a gun. This all incident happened over the funeral of her father. People were not invited, and so there were bruised feelings. It's a family issue. Again, I'm asking if the court would please consider removing the tether. She will have no contact with any other family members.
Motion for bond reduction tonight. I'll leave it in place. Let Judge Valvo decide. Thank you. Charles case versus Takashi Pfeiffer.
Yes, ma'am. Please, Madam Court, Brandon Bird on behalf of the Kajay Pfeiffer. Mr. Pfeiffer, can you please state your full name for the record?
Kajay Pfeiffer. All right, what are we doing?
Respectfully, Your Honor, we just requesting a adjournment in this matter. So I just got an offer from the people. I'd like to discuss that a little bit further with my client.
Probable cause conference, May 15th, 2025, 9 a.m.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Invite indicates bond will continue. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court calls the case, People versus Deborah Gilmore.
Deborah Gilmore.
Pardon?
The name one more time.
Deborah Gilmore.
And is it on behalf of the people, Your Honor?
Yes, Your Honor. Brandon Bird on behalf of Deborah Gilmore.
Your name?
Deborah Gilmore.
We figured. All right. What are we doing?
We'd like to set this matter for exam, Your Honor.
Discovery is complete.
As far as I'm aware.
All right. People have their witnesses available on the 13th.
We'll do our best, Your Honor.
Preliminary examination will be set in person, May 13th, 2025, 9 a.m. before. That's before me. We'll see you on the 13th.
Thank you.
All right.
Great day.
You too. Court calls the case, People versus William Doster.
And good afternoon, Your Honor. Dan Garrett on behalf of Mr. Doster. Bill, can you unmute and identify yourself?
Unmuted.
State your name, please.
William Doster.
Okay, what are we doing?
Your Honor, as to the competency report, we will stipulate to its findings.
Do these in the same format. I just want to make sure this is what I read.
It's okay. Happens all the time.
All right. Any other additional evidence from the people regarding competency? Based upon the review of the competence report, the court would find that the defendant is competent to stand trial, specifically that the defendant can understand the nature and objects of the proceedings against him and can rationally assist in his defense. Therefore, he's deemed competent. I will need an order to that effect, please. All right. All right, what are we doing now?
I spoke to Ms. Reiser today. She's asking, and as am I, for another probable cause conference if the 22nd is available. That's when she said she would be most available.
So it's not you.
It's not me. I'm here when you tell me to be.
Probable cause conference will be set for May 22nd, 2025, 9 a.m. or as your invite indicates. Bond will continue. Thank you.
Thank you.
Calls the case, People versus Austin Norton.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Dan Garrett, on behalf of Austin Norton. Mr. Norton, can you unmute and identify yourself? And take your hat off?
Austin Norton.
All right. Okay, what are we doing?
Your Honor, discovery is complete. We're asking for an exam date, please.
All right. People have their witnesses available the 13th.
We'll do our best, Your Honor.
Preliminary examination in person, May 13th, 2025, 9 a.m. That is before Judge Valvo. Bond continued.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Case of the People versus Andrew Jason Prater.
Please the court, Your Honor. George Lyons appearing vis-a-vis Zoom. Mr. Prater is to my left, to the court's right.
All right. Thank you. All right. What are we doing on this?
Go ahead, Counsel.
No, please.
I was just getting ready to say I wasn't sure what you wanted to do with the case, so go ahead.
Like I know it's 30 years old. There's no restitution. I have no idea. I was hoping that you guys just said, Mr. Lyons, go home. But you tell me, Counsel.
Oh, this is awkward.
All right. I couldn't quite make out the last part of what he said. I know he said he wanted to go home.
No, what he said is, well, I'm not good.
I was hoping that you would tell me, just go home, Mr. Lyons. This is over.